Welcome to the Half Price Prototypes brief video tutorial on how to use the instant quoting system. The instant quoting system requires 4 inputs for each CAD model that you would like a prototype made from. The XYZ or length, width, height, and the cubic volume. You can work in either inches or you can work in metric. For this example, we'll go ahead and work in inches. Now what we'll do is we'll go over to our CAD system, and what we need to do is get the length, width, height, and the cubic volume. Now every CAD system has the ability to gather this information, and it may be different for each one. But essentially we just need the extents of the part and the cubic volume. So in this example we have 2.6, 3.2, 3.3 as the XYZ values, and then our volume of 7.25. So let's go ahead and go back to HPP and enter that in. Now for 2.6 we're just going to round up to 3. Anything under 0.5 you would round down, anything above that you would round up. So in this example we'll go ahead and round up to 3, and 3.2 will also be 3, and you can use the tab key to go down. 3.3 will also be 3. So 3 by 3 by 3, and the cubic volume is 7.25, which we'll just round to 7. And if you type in more than that, HPP will go ahead and round it for you. And then if you're wanting the part to be done in 3D color, you would click that button. Also here you would enter in the part quantity, so if you wanted more than one. Now let's go ahead and just leave that for 1 for now and click add part. And what HPP will do is automatically give us a price based on that quantity, length, width, height, and volume, and in this case of $193. Now if we went ahead and decided based on that price we'd like maybe 3 of them done, we change the quantity, and you can see it updates. That initial part is 193, and then the next 2 parts are 135 because you receive a multi-part discount. So we would continue on to do this. Let's go ahead and type in another example, maybe 4 by 1 by 2. And it doesn't really matter what order you put the XYZ in, as long as it is within the constraints of the machine here, which is 10 by 15 by 8, and then the cubic volume of the part, and click add part again. Now as you're adding your parts, if you make a mistake, you can easily go ahead and change that down here. You can change the quantity, but let's say the length is really 4 by 2 by 2, and HPP will automatically update it. So you can go through here and add as many parts as you want, and once you're finished you click complete order, and what this will do is take you to the next page where you're going to fill out your billing information, name, address, and so forth, phone number, email address, your billing information if it's different, your shipping requirements, and then finally you're going to upload your CAD models if you're ready to pay. Now for each individual CAD model you can upload a separate part, or you can change this to a single zip file, put all of your CAD models in one zip file, browse for that model, and then upload it. So you'd simply click browse, pick it, and click complete order. And once it finishes uploading the file, it'll take you to the final screen, which is your credit card information, which you will enter in there. Once that is done, you'll be sent an email confirmation that we received your CAD data and order, and when it'll be shipped. So that's a brief tutorial of the half price prototypes instant quoting page.